No.
Me too. Let's go.
B4. B5. 8.
Are you intrigued?
You know what's that?
Are you intrigued?
Oh, Zoe,
I don't know.
so excited!
Wait, can we figure out? Let's go straight.